the Bible tells us that she went to doctors over and over and over again. She wasted everything she had, and the doctors couldn't help her. And when he pronounces you restored, you are totally restored. Jesus said, "Come unto me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon me and learn of me, for I am gentle in spirit. And you will find rest for your soul." He says, "My burden is easy. My yoke is light." God is going to make sure that when he restores you, he completely restores you. And you can go through whatever you're going through. You can have whatever issues you're having. But when you come to Jesus and he heals you completely. Because God is the great restorer. And sometimes when we have been in a situation, people want to tag you. You are this once, and a leopard cannot change his spots. You were that, and you can't change. And so I know that even though you're pretending, I know that at your base, you're still who you were.